Блядь, я закричал.
What does this say?
They say fuck you, that's not my language.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch. I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part.
I'm doing my part.
I didn't do fucking shit! You ain't shifting like me! You ain't!
This is a work of
If you ever wondered why you're supposed to keep this on until the shock is fully installed, I'll show you why. Because you'll have to compress it. And then while you're working, the shock just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger until it's really in your face and it's hard to concentrate on your job.
La verdad no creo que salga con una pulida, Tranquilos pues, no se enojen.
This is why you Jiffy Lube fucks only make $12 an hour.
Put it this way, okay? You see that guy right there? That guy. He's only 25 years old. Yep.
So she says the turn signal won't stay engaged when you make a right turn.
Oh, look at that. You found it.
I found it.
That means we can fix your car.
Yeah. All right, battery's connected. Start it.
Technology.
Just explain what's going on here, please, mate.
Right, I'll show you. Drywall screw, washer, impact gun. None of these are supposed to be on there. Washer, side of the car. Straight in the side. Then, multi-purpose hammer. Washer, cut, done.
Then, how does your car pass inspection?
Ist alles in Ordnung.